Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning the watch face down on a soft cloth so you avoid scratches. Once done, locate the tiny release buttons on the back near each lug and press one firmly. You want a deliberate press, not a jab. While holding the button, slide the band straight out parallel to the case to avoid catching. Repeat for the other side. Make sure debris isn't blocking the connector because grit will prevent a smooth release and can scratch the case. You now align the new band. Confirm the side with any text or notch faces away from the display so clasp orientation is correct. Slide the connector into the groove at a shallow angle and push straight until you feel or hear a click. That click means the latch engaged. If you meet resistance, pull it back and realign. Forcing can bend the rail or damage the release. Once both sides click, give each a gentle tug to verify secure seating before putting the watch on. You finish by fastening the band and checking fit. Aim for snug comfort with about a 1-finger gap so sensors contact skin without cutting off circulation. Make sure heart rate, workout, and charging connections work properly, and that side buttons remain fully accessible. If the band won't click or feels loose, don't force it. Remove and inspect the rails for debris. Once cleaned with a soft brush, reinsert and you should hear a secure click.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.